Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Welcome to my November 2022 VIP Club card kit video. Oh, there's a mouthful. This is the card. I will take the pieces out of the little envelope here. You will receive an envelope, a card base, and a panel, and a couple of little cutout panels. This comes from, let me see here, this is the digital art collection that accompanies the Crisp Air paper pack. Crisp Air sold out. I knew it would because those are just such beautiful, vibrant colors. Those vibrant packs always sell well. But I just thought this was a really pretty card, and I thought you would enjoy it as well. So the first thing we're going to do is assemble. I'm using glue. You can use whatever you like. I just think that I can get the glue in the nooks and crannies better, but patience with a tape runner is also a virtue. We'll center this on this evergreen, I think it's evergreen panel. I think I would know. I'm pretty sure that's evergreen. And then this is toffee. And then I made the top part out of ivory. I just thought it looked a little prettier than the white. White seemed a little harsh. So I'm, again, just running around dabbing my glue. If you want to use maybe a spray adhesive, if that's the thing that you use, that would be fine. And I'm not going to do everything here on the words. I'm just hitting some highlights. And this panel is going to line up right over the top of the toffee panel. Gently push everything down. Now if you see that I didn't get all of the little bits taken out of your words, please feel free to take care of that. Okay, so we've got this panel put together, and all we have to do now is attach this to the front of our card. Just like that. Super easy to put together. Super cute. Autumn wishes. That'll last you right up until, what, the 21st of December. That's so funny because around here, autumn feels like it's gone by Thanksgiving. That's it. Thank you so much for being my VIPs. If you'd like to find out more about being a VIP with Close to My Heart, you can go to barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com and click on the VIP tab, and all the little frequently asked questions will appear. There may even be a special going on right now for renewing your VIP and all of that. Always good stuff, special stuff reserved for you only. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I will see you next time.